Yes.
Okay. Since people are passing by, they will start cleaning. And you put the one inside the
Okay, so we move on. I can tell you for sure that your corridor is very dirty, so you need to sweep it. Did you sweep?
Yes.
Let's move on. Good afternoon.
My name is Clara Filbert. I'm going to Terrazzo. So this is our Terrazzo. So first, you lift in your brush. Forward. Or you can pour the warm soapy water. Just a little bit, then you start to scrub. This way, starting from the hardest was the exit. And too bad.
Do we start at the center or will we start somewhere in the corner? Will you start from the edges? Okay. Then after that?
After that, we will now come with the warm soapy water without warm water without soap. And the last one for the cold water for refreshing.
Okay, so let's have people now. We want to the next one.
I have a question.
Yes, someone has a question. Or you will answer back afterwards. Yes, good afternoon. Good afternoon.
Specifically, I have lots of water. Up inside the warm soapy water. And then your warm soapy water should not use hard chemicals when walking for good maintenance.
Where is the bucket supposed to be as you come? Behind. So, let's have people now working on the corridor quickly as we move to the next. Let's have people scrubbing. I don't know who is going to be scrubbing because we need to clean all of the corridor and then we go to the next row that we're supposed to do. It shouldn't